Your partner heard it first that grinding sound while you sleep isn't snoring, it's your teeth destroying each other. Sleep grinding, bruxism, affects about 30% of adults, and most people don't even know they're doing it. The force you use to grind at night can be 10x stronger than chewing, slowly wearing down enamel, causing chips, sensitivity, headaches, and jaw pain. You might wake up with a sore jaw, flatter teeth, or cold sensitivity, signs your smile is taking damage while you sleep. Stress, caffeine, alcohol, uneven bite, or sleep issues like sleep apnea all make it worse. The good news, a custom night guard protects your teeth from damage even if you still grind. Don't wait for cracked teeth or broken fillings. Take action now.